2026 BMW X5 M isn't just another luxury SUV. It's the kind of machine that hits you with presence before the engine even starts. It stands there like a boulder carved by wind, bigger, sharper, more confident than the model it replaces. BMW didn't hold back this time. They went after everything critics ever pointed out about the X5 M and elevated it. Style, power, refinement, and raw attitude, making this one of the most complete performance SUVs on the planet. If you've been waiting for a luxury SUV that blends pure muscle with modern elegance, buckle up, because this one is a serious contender. From the very first glance, the front end of the 2026 X5 M tells you everything about its personality. The iconic kidney grille is still unmistakably BMW, but now it's more sculpted, more aggressive, and trimmed in gloss black to intensify its sporty character. The laser headlights sit slimmer, angrier, and more precise, giving the SUV a focused stare that almost feels alive. The front bumper has grown wider, with deeper air intakes engineered not just to look good, but to keep the massive turbos running cool and efficient. Walking around the side, the muscular stance becomes even more pronounced. The proportions feel taut and athletic, as if the SUV has been training in the off-season. Strong shoulder lines run across the body, catching light with every angle. The new M-specific wheels, ranging up to 22 inches, fill the arches with a perfect performance-ready stance. And at the rear, BMW sharpens the entire look. Quad exhaust pipes that proudly announce its M identity, a redesigned diffuser that hints at aerodynamic intent, and sleek LED taillights that wrap around in a dynamic, modern signature. This isn't a family SUV trying to look sporty. This is a performance machine that just happens to have room for five. Step inside, and the cabin immediately feels like BMW's new definition of performance luxury. The cockpit wraps toward the driver with a sense of purpose, almost like a sports car wearing an SUV body. The M Sport seats grip you firmly with thick side bolsters while still delivering the plush comfort expected from a high-end luxury vehicle. The seating position is commanding and confident, giving a clear view of the sculpted hood ahead. Across the dashboard, BMW's dual curved display setup takes center stage, a sweeping combination of the digital gauge cluster and infotainment screen merged into one wide, futuristic panel. The interface is clean, fast, and smarter than ever, offering fluid animations and intuitive layouts. Ambient lighting spills across the cabin with colors that shift according to drive mode, allowing the atmosphere to transform from calm serenity to full performance drama in seconds. Materials throughout the interior feel noticeably upgraded. Tighter stitching, richer leather, refined buttons, and carbon fiber trims that remind you this is no ordinary SUV. Passengers in the second row will appreciate the generous legroom and improved reclining seats. The climate controls are redesigned with a sleeker, more premium interface, giving each row more control over temperature and airflow. Even the cargo space has been refined, with a wider opening and smarter compartments that make everyday usability genuinely better. It's clear that BMW wants the X5 M to be more than just thrilling. It needs to be practical, sophisticated, and comfortable for the long haul. But under the hood is where the personality fully unleashes itself. The 2026 X5 M continues with the iconic 4.4-liter twin-turbo V8, but BMW has pushed it further. A reworked turbo system, updated engine mapping, and the addition of a 48-volt mild hybrid assist make the power delivery smoother, quicker, and more explosive. The electric assist fills in torque at low RPMs, eliminating nearly all lag and creating the sensation of instant acceleration. The SUV leaps forward with an intensity you wouldn't expect from something this size. Paired to BMW's 8-speed M-Steptronic transmission, the shifts are sharp, responsive, and perfectly timed. Whether you're cruising comfortably or pushing hard through corners, the drivetrain feels like it's reading your mind. The xDrive all-wheel drive system adds a new level of precision, sending power exactly where it's needed, enhancing traction when launching and improving composure in high-speed maneuvers. The recalibrated adaptive M suspension also brings a welcome improvement. A smoother ride in comfort mode without sacrificing the firm, confident feel that performance drivers demand. The steering feels more connected and weightier, especially in its sportier settings, giving drivers a clearer sense of the road. The result is an SUV that feels much lighter and more agile than its size would suggest. It's one of those vehicles that can storm through mountain roads and then glide home with luxury softness, all in the same drive. Technology inside the X5 M brings intelligence to the muscle. The latest iDrive software is quicker and far more intuitive, with better menu layouts and advanced voice control that understands natural language commands. Connectivity is seamless, with instant wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and the upgraded heads-up display provides sharper graphics and more customization. Safety technology has also been elevated. Expect adaptive cruise control with better lane guidance, improved blind spot monitoring, a high-resolution 360-degree camera system, automated parking assistance, road sign recognition, rear collision warning, and advanced sensor networks continuously scanning the X5 M's surroundings. Even when driving aggressively, the SUV feels more secure and composed thanks to its digital safety net. BMW positions the 2026 X5 M as a premium performance flagship, and its pricing will reflect that ambition. Expect the starting figure to rise slightly above the previous year's model, placing it firmly in the upper tier of performance SUVs. Optional packages, premium interiors, high-performance wheels, advanced tech suites, and upgraded audio systems will push the price higher, but this is fully expected for an M vehicle. The official launch is set for late 2025, with global deliveries beginning early in 2026. Pre-orders typically open a few months prior, so potential buyers will want to stay alert as the release window approaches. In the realm of competitors, the 2026 X5 M enters a fierce arena. Rivals include the Mercedes AMG GLE 63S, Porsche Cayenne Turbo, Audi RS Q8, and the Range Rover Sport SV. Each contender offers its own flavor, whether it's AMG's brute force, Porsche's precision engineering, Audi's balance, or Range Rover's ultra-luxury character. But the X5 M doesn't lean entirely in one direction. Instead, it merges all the strengths of these rivals into a well-rounded powerhouse. It's aggressive but sophisticated, powerful but composed, thrilling yet comfortable. It feels like an SUV designed to win on multiple fronts, not just one. In a segment shifting toward hybrids, electrification, and smarter performance systems, BMW uses the X5 M to send a clear message. There's still room for old-school adrenaline wrapped in next-generation intelligence, and that's what makes this SUV feel so special. It respects the past while embracing the future. In a world racing toward the next chapter of performance, the 2026 BMW X5 M feels like a storm you can command. Wild, powerful, and unforgettable. If this review pulled you into the world of the new X5 M, make sure to like the video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Your support keeps these deep dive reviews coming, and together, we'll keep exploring the most exciting machines on the road.